Question 21 is as follows. A manager is preparing to draw a peak chart to display how 40 workers travel to work. The table below shows some of her information. So we have got transport, number of workers, angle. So those who come by car, the number of workers is not known. The angle is 45 degrees. Those who come by bus, the number of workers is not known, but it has got 108 degrees, 108 degrees. Those who walk, they are 7, the angle is not known. Those who come by train, they are 10, the angle is not known. Those who come by bike, the number of workers is not known and the angle is not known. However, the total number of people is 40, we know. Okay, so meaning the total sum of angles should be 360 degrees. This is going to use the peak chart which you want to use. So we're going to say the angle will be 360 degrees. Now the actual question is, use the information in the table to work out what angle will represent those travel by bike. Now here we want to find the angle of people who come by bike, but you can see that here on the number of workers is not given. It could have been easier if the number of those who come by bike was given. It could have been easier, but it's not given here, it's blank. So what are we going to do? Okay, first let's find the number of people come in the car and on bus. Okay, those who come by car and those who come by bus, let's find the number of those, the total. Okay, so what we can do now is we can divide. There are so many ways that we can use, at least 2 ways that we can use to find these numbers, but let me choose one, the one that is perfect. We shall find the number of workers. Okay, so the number of workers which the method we can use, you can say 45 degrees over 360 degrees, okay, times the total sum is 40. Okay, it should give us the number of people. So we cancel 0 here, and this 0 we cancel it out. Here we remain with 36. Then we say 4 into 36, 4 into 4, it will be 1. 4 into 36, it will be 9. Okay, so now what we are remaining with, 1 there, and so we say 45 times 1 will give us 45. 45, this 45 times this 1 will give us 45 degrees, then over 9 degrees. So 9 degrees into 45 degrees, it will go 5 times. So 5 is the number of people who come by car. Okay, then we can also again do this same thing. We say 108 degrees over 360 degrees times 40 degrees. Then we can cancel the 0 and the 0 here. Then we say 4 into 4, it's 1. 4 into 36, it's 9. Then we say 108 times 1 will give us, oh sorry, it should be equals there, equals to 108 times 1 will give us 108 degrees, which will be over 9 degrees. Okay, which should be over 9 degrees. Then we say 9 degrees into 108 degrees will go 12 times. So 12 is the number of workers who came by bus. We can now find the number of workers who come by bike. Now, since we know that the total number of workers is 40, then we can just add that. We can just come up with an expression like this one, where we're going to have 5 plus 12 plus 7 plus 10 plus, so here we call it x, then plus x is equal to 40. Okay, the total number of workers. Then we say we add 5 plus 12 will give us 17, 17 plus 7, 24, 24 plus 10 will give us 36, 34, sorry. 34 plus then x is equal to 40. Okay, then we put like terms together, we say x is equal to 40 minus, it will close 34, will close the equal sign and become minus 34. Then we have x is equal to 6. Okay, so the number of workers who come by bike is 6. So here we can put 6. Okay, now once we have found the number of workers who come by bike, then we can go ahead and find the percentage, oh sorry, the amount of angle this will occupy. Okay, so we can come up with an expression which is 6 over 40 times 360 degrees. So here down it's 40. So we cancel 0 and here we cancel 0. Then we say how many times can 4 go into 36? First of all, 4 into 4 it will be 1. Then 4 into 36 it will be 9. Then we say 1 into 6 will give us 6. Then times 9 degrees. Okay, times 9 degrees. Then we say is equal to 6 times 9 degrees will give us 54 degrees. So 54 degrees is the angle that will represent the workers that came by bike. Okay, 54 degrees is the angle that will represent the workers that came by bike. Okay, so if you have got questions still, you can ask in the comment section. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.